thank you so much for being here and watching. This is the first video I've filmed in a few days, so sorry it took a teeny bit of a break. If you didn't know, I was in Chicago. So just very quick housekeeping. I know I had some giveaways going on and I was a little late selecting the winners, but as of now, all of the winners have been drawn. I am still waiting to hear back from a few. And I heard back from a few before I even went on my trip. Unfortunately, right before my trip, I found out I need to get new tires, and I'm getting those placed tomorrow, so I'm hoping I hear back from all the winners and can get to the post office by Friday. So you guys, if you want to check out my videos to double check that if you were the winner or not, I'm still waiting. If I don't hear back within 48 hours, I will pick some new winners. But let's get to today's unboxing. I'm so excited because it's one of my favorite boxes, and they changed the package design, and it is so cute. Look how cute this is. I mean, Bombay and Cedar always had a really cute box, but I think this is just beautiful. I love the colors, the floral design, everything about it. If you guys do not know what Bombay and Cedar is, it is a lifestyle subscription that has to do with like wellness and aromatherapy, and it gives you a lot of unique and fun things that you don't normally get in other subscription boxes. I absolutely love it. And everything in it is cruelty free. So I'm going to leave their link down below. I also have a promo code to help you save some money on your first box if you're interested. Bombay and Cedar offers two different subscription plans. There's a mini and the premium. I'm going to be unboxing the premium today. I will list all the pricings down below, but I believe the mini is about $29.95 a month, and the full size or the premium is $49.95. This month, so it was a little different. It came in an outer packaging, like an outer brown box, because there was an item that was outside of the box, so we will get to that in just a moment. Let me show you what the box looks like as I open it. It says, "Say hello to the box you didn't know you needed." Seriously, say hi. Hi. So this is what it looks like inside. Something smells really good. Oh, and they even updated how their like little handouts look. They're a little bigger. They used to be like more square. Now they're like a rectangle. So Bombay and Cedar, January 2020. The theme is refresh. I like that. So right inside there's a little note from the editors. It says, "It's a new year, it's a new decade. It's the time of the year when we begin making resolutions in hopes to create new and positive lifestyle changes. However, many of us tend to make resolutions that aren't realistic. This is why it's important to set goals that are meaningful to you rather than unattainable because you aren't ready. Doing so will give you a greater chance of accomplishing your goals. Just remember to take it one step at a time and don't let your resolutions overwhelm you. You can do this. Here's to new beginnings." Oh, I like that. And then on the next page, so they have pictures of all the items, and then they list them out, give a short description, and they give the pricing. So there's always such great value with this box. If you get the premium box like I do, there are some variant items. So the price value range for the total box is between $178.28 to $181.78. And the mini box value will be $80.28. So let's get started. How about we start with the item that came outside of the box? It's a book, and I think this looks extra cool. It says, "Who Knew? 10,001 Household Solutions. Over 5 million books sold in this series. Money-saving tips, DIY cleaners, kitchen secrets, and other easy answers to everyday problems." And this is by Bruce and Jean Lubin. And I guess this is the revised and updated version. I am really excited to read through this because honestly, like, I live by myself. I have my own place now, and I could probably use a lot of tips in my life because I'm constantly Googling. I cannot wait to read it. So this is what the pages look like. I like how there's like different colors, and then there's like little points on the side. This looks like it'd be a great coffee table book too, and like really useful when you pick it up. So let's see how much this costs. So this is in the premium box only, and the retail value is $24.99. It says, "This book will help you with natural and simple solutions to your daily tasks, requiring only basic and inexpensive items with multiple uses that you should always keep on hand in your home." Awesome. I like that it's like easy, accessible, and inexpensive. Ooh, I could use this. So the next item I just pulled out is by Snow White Teeth Whitening. It's a 7-day treatment. It says Bleach Please Teeth Whitening Kit. Fluoride free, easy to use home treatment. The set includes 3x3 ml gel syringes, 1 shade guide, and 1 LED light and gum shield. So you're supposed to apply the gel from the syringe onto the gum shield, then put the LED light and gum shield into the mouth and turn on the LED light. And then after 15 minutes, repeat this step a further 3 times. Remove it and then rinse with water. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. And it looks like this is an item that's also in only the premium box. I like how they label each of these so you guys can get a feel of like what one you want to sign up for. So this is, whoa, this is $55. It says this whitening kit is perfect for the professional at-home results without the costly dental bill. I'm totally going to use this. So it's in a sealable bag. Let me show you the picture up close. I don't want to open it yet just in case that like makes the expiration, but it's right here. Something seriously smells good. Oh my god, there's a food item. I'm trying to get back into intermittent fasting, so I haven't eaten yet. I've only got 20 minutes. I can eat this. That just really made me happy. But anyways, this is the Partake Gingersnap. Looks like these are like some Gingersnap cookies, yeah. So top 10 allergen free, and it's vegan, gluten free. Awesome, simple, wholesome, and delicious. So we've got some cookies here. And the cookies come in all of the boxes, so mini and premium, and they're $1.29. And I think you could have gotten a variety of flavors. And it says free of the top 8 allergens as well as gluten. These cookies are crafted with true love and are truly crave-worthy. I can't wait to eat these. This box always comes with a snack that's like vegan and pretty healthy. Let's see how many calories are in this. 130 calories. That's not bad for a cookie snack. Moving on, what is this? No clue. Natural air purifying bags. 200 gram bags, 100% bamboo. I don't know, let me read about this. I can't tell what it is without opening it. I'll open it in a second. Let's see. So these are charcoal purifying bags by California Home Goods. It's $15 and only in the premium box. And it says these purifying bags work naturally as odor remover and air purifier to maintain a fresh, breathable environment. So they're like air sealed. Let me grab my scissors and get this open. I don't really get it. But it says it's reusable up to 2 years. Oh, so there's like charcoal in them? Oh, okay, maybe I'm a little slow there, but these are like, you just put them somewhere, they're super cute and they help detoxify the air, and also they smell really good too. So you can put these around your house as like an odor protector. And they're cute, look at the design. I totally get it now. I don't know what I was talking about. I was like, reusable bag, I guess I'm a little slow. It's my first time unboxing in a while. Oh, I'm just slow, but these are cute. They smell really good. So I'm gonna place them right here. And let's move on to the next item. So every single month in all boxes, Bombay and Cedar sends Aromatherapies with 2 essential oils. And this month, look how cute. It came in a little heart bag. I'm gonna have to reuse this bag like for a Valentine's Day gift or something. It's only a few weeks away. So with the essential oils, there come these little cards that give information on them. And let's see. So we have ginger grass. I definitely don't have this one. It says Purifying Ginger Grass 100% Pure Essential Oil. And this one is $14. And then we have Refresh, which is also $14. So let's smell these. Refresh. That sounds really nice. Refresh is supposed to open the sinuses and refresh your mind. It smells really good. And then for the ginger grass, it says ginger grass is known for its herbaceous, woody, and citrusy aroma. Definitely as described. So this is what the sheets look like that came with it. So they give like a lot of information. They give you what the refresh is, like what's in the blend, if it is a blend, what the properties are. Caution, so let's say like keep out of reach of children. And then it also tells you the ingredients. Sometimes these cards will tell you like what the oils blend well with, because if you've been getting this box for a while or you're an essential oil lover, you've probably developed an essential oil collection by now, and it's really nice to get that information. But anyways, let's move on to the next item. Looks like we have some nail clippers, which I can actually probably use some. I feel like I'm always looking for one for my toes at least. There's 2 in here, so it's in a bag. This is by Almost Famous, and it says 2 Pro nail clippers, and they're really cute. They're like gold and purple. So there's a smaller one and a bigger one. It says a perfect duo to perform double duty on those hands and feet. The AF Clip It Duo for hands and feet are ready to get to work for you. 1 small clipper for hands and a larger non-grip set for toes. No job is too big or small for the Clip It Duo. And this comes in the premium box only, and it is $18. It looks like we got a little sample for premium members only. So this is a dish soap actually. This is Opulent Blends handcrafted dish soap. It's all natural. It's in Citrus Explosion. So this is kind of like an extra item for premium members. It's $2 value. It smells good. I love citrus scents. I really just think they smell great and they are uplifting like they say. It looks like we also got like a little sample too of some handcrafted little lotion in lavender. And then, is this like a body scrubber? Let's find out what this is. Oh, this makes sense. So it comes with that dishwasher. So this is a coconut kitchen brush by EcoMend or Eco Coconut. This is by Eco Coconut. And it says it is $7. And these multi-purpose cleaning brushes give a sustainable and natural option when it comes to cleaning dishes and more. So that makes total sense that they would give us like a sample of dishwash too. And yeah, you would not want to use this on your body. Now that I'm touching it, this will be great. Sometimes I have trouble with like pots and pans or things that I can't put in the dishwasher. So like, I'm totally happy to get this. Cool. And we are not done. This is like a never-ending box. This is what I smell so good. Oh my gosh. I love stuff like this. I have one behind me, yeah, if you can tell. So we have a Reed diffuser, and it's in Strawberry Prosecco. And look how pretty the case it is. Oh my gosh. So it says, this is a Reed diffuser, contains pure essential oil, and it's made with hand-blown glass. So beautiful hand-blown glass diffuser enhances decor by adding an elegant flair to any room. The fragrance solution contains 100% pure essential oils. It includes 200 mLs or 6.76 fluid ounces of strawberry Prosecco fragrance that will permeate your space with subtle aroma as it is absorbed by the fabric reeds. The fragrance lasts up to 3 months. The fragrance notes are berries, blackcurrant, peony, vanilla, and sugar. Okay, so let's get this open. I love stuff like this. And let's see, 8. So this is $30, and this is in the premium box. So if you get the mini box, you would have gotten a mini Reed diffuser, and you would have gotten a different whitening gel kit, both with good values too. So in the mini only, you get also you get a book as well. So if I open this, I just want to say in the mini you get the little book of self-care instead of the book we got in the premium that I showed you. The mini forestation Reed diffuser and the extreme whitening gel by CB and CO. So I like that. So they give us some of the same things, and the things that are different are just like smaller versions of the other. I feel like they're really upgrading their subscription right now. That's awesome. Like they upgrade their box, they're making it more clear what the information is in their packet, and the things that are different between mini and premium are like equivalents of each other, but just different values. Let me get my scissors so I can get this open. Alright, so here is the 200 mLs of the fragrant essential oil. Here are our reeds, and then oh my god, this is beautiful. And then here is the glass, the hand-blown glass container. I want to smell this. So there's a safety seal on this. That's good. So there's no leaks during transportation. Oh my god, it smells so good, you guys. Oh, so I'm going to pour this in. Hopefully you're supposed to do it at once. I'm gonna do that. And then you just place your reeds in there, and then the reeds will diffuse the scent and distribute it throughout the room. So this is what it looks like all done. I'm gonna put this in my living room because I already have one in my filming room here. It smells so good too. And honestly, this room smells amazing from all the candles and stuff I got. Downstairs is where the cats hang out. It's a little stinky. But you guys, I love Bombay and Cedar so much. I think this is a great box. This is a great box to start my unboxing journey again. I'm acting like I was gone forever. I was in Chicago for like 4 or 5 days. But yeah, I'm always happy with this box. This is one of my favorites in a while. I love the upgrades they've done. And by the way, like, they also have other things in this pamphlet. Like, it tells you how to make a DIY all-natural sink cleanser, how to recharge your bamboo charcoal bags, how to refresh your space, like liven it up. It gives tips on cleaning, decluttering and organizing, rearranging your layout, show some love to your walls, and then it talks about cookies, okay? Like, so it's like getting a little magazine. So yeah, again, I'm gonna leave all of the information down below. I honestly love this box so much, and as always, I am satisfied. I think I like this box better than the last one. This is definitely up there in my favorite Bombay and Cedar boxes. There's just so much stuff. It's so fun to open. You guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you're having a great day. I miss you guys so much. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.